Hi guys, my name is Rishi. Today this video I am talking about how to download Visual Studio. Firstly of all, you are subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and comment also. So let's get start the video. Firstly, open your Chrome browser and search now the Visual Studio and press the enter button. They are come on the many results. So click the download on a link and they are open a official website of the Visual Studio. There are many platforms to download the Visual Studio Code just as a Mac, Windows or Linux operating system. I am using a Windows and then click the blue color buttons so they start the downloading for a few seconds and then they are not a download. Click the redirect downloading link and wait a few minutes so they are start a download again. Wait a few seconds to download complete it after open your Visual Studio and they are successfully download and open your Chrome Visual Studio. Tick the I accept agreement and press the next button and press the next button and next and tick the create desktop icon and press the enter and click the install button and then click the finish button and automatically launch your Visual Studio. So they are click on the extension icon and search now the live server and install on the live server. They are helping on the browser, not refreshing the page, and click the file tab and tick the auto save. They are helping on the automatic file saving. Thank you for watching this video.